morning, dears. We have completed exercise 1.1 from the chapter integers. There we have learned how to add and subtract the integers. Now in this exercise 1.2, we are going to learn how to divide and multiply the integers. Always you should keep it in mind, if dividend or divisor, if both are negative, dividend is negative and the divisor is negative, then the answer will be positive. If dividend is negative and divisor is positive, then the answer is negative. And if dividend is positive and divisor is negative, then also answer is negative. And if both are positive, then the answer is positive. Keep it in mind. Either or, if any one, either divisor or dividend, if it is negative, answer would be negative. Otherwise, answer is positive. Now you see 1a, it is given 60 divided by minus 10. So we know 60, 10 6 are 60. We'll write 60 divided by minus 10, or it gives you minus 6, because 1 is negative. Is it? Look at number 2. Minus 36 divided by 9. Now here dividend is negative. Still the answer is negative. 9 4s are 36. But you see in question number 6, it is given minus 15,625 divided by minus 125. Now both are negative. So answer will be, when you divide, you will get 125. 125 into 125, it gives you 15,625. So the answer is positive, though both pair negative, is it? So like this you have to do question number 1. Question number 2, they have asked you to evaluate. Here you can see the brackets are used. So we have to use the rule of BODMAS, where bracket comes before everything. Is it? 2, 1. It is given 45 divided by minus 2 plus minus 1. Then the bracket is closed. So 45 divided by minus 2 plus minus 1. Now 45 divided by minus 3. So the answer would be minus 15. You see number 2, it is given 56 divided by minus 2 divided by 7. So we'll write 56 divided by minus 2 divided by 7 minus 28 divided by 7, or the answer is minus 4. So in this way we have to solve it. Then you can see number 5. It is given minus 16 plus 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2, or it gives you minus 16 plus 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2, or it gives you minus 4 divided by minus 2. So the answer is 2. So we have to solve. The bracket works first, then afterward we have to find the value. Is it? Then you see here they have asked, write 5 pairs of AB such that A divided by B is minus 3. So what can be the 5 pairs? Given A divided by B is equal to minus 3. So the pairs can be 6 divided by -2 is -3, or you can write it -6 divided by -2 is -3. 6 divided by -2 is equal to -3. Now 9 -9 divided by 3, that is -3, and 9 divided by -3, that is 9, that is 3 minus 3, or -12 divided by 4, this is also -3. So anything, it can be other than this. Doesn't matter that you have to write this only, okay? It can be other than this also. Then question number 4, they have asked you to verify. It is given, verify that A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. You have to verify this. Given A is equal to 20, B is equal to -2, and C is equal to 4. So we'll see, we'll implement, instead of ABC, we'll implement the values. LHS was A divided by B plus C. So the value of A is 20, divided by B is -2 and C is 4, or 20 divided by 2, or 10. Come to the RHS now. It was A divided by B plus A divided by C. Now 20 divided by -2 plus 20 divided by 4. Is it? So this gives you -10 and this gives you +5, or the answer is -5. So we can write it, LHS is not equal to RHS. They are not equal. Now this is -10, this is 10, and this is -5. Is it? So it is proved LHS is not equal to RHS. Then you have certain word sums. It is, first one is saying an aeroplane was flying at a height of 1800 meter. If it descends at a constant rate of 60 meter per minute, how long it will take to descend to a height of 300 meter? Now the present height of plane is the plane is equal to 1800 meter. According to the question, it descends to 300 meter. So it descends by, so the plane descends by it was at 1800 meter, now it is at 300 meter. So how many meters it is descend, how many meters it has come down, by how much meter? It has come down by 1800 minus 300 meters. So it has come down by 1500 meters. Given 60 meter distance, plane descends 60 meter in 1 minute. So plane descends 1 meter in 1 by 60 minutes. Therefore, plane descends 1500 meter in 1 by 60 into 1500 minutes. 25 minutes. It is distance by at 300 meter. Question number 6, it says, a submarine left the surface of water at a rate of -2 per meter second. At what rate, at that rate, how long will it take to submarine to reach at -80 meter level? How much it left the surface? -2 meter in 1 second. It has to reach up to -80 meter. So what time it will take? -80 divided by -2. It will take 40 seconds. Question number 6. A submarine left the surface at the rate of -2 meter per second. It has to reach at -80 meter. So time taken by submarine is equal to -80 meter divided by -2 meter into second, though it was per second. So 40 seconds it will take time to reach at a level of -80 meter. Next question, they have given the product of two integers is 180. If one integer is -12, find the other integer. Homework. Product is given, one integer is given. So you have to divide it to get the other integer. Write all the even integers between -9 and 9. All the odd integers between -4 and 12. 3 consecutive odd integers preceding -39. So this 4 sums 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to complete as a homework in the same copy. Question number 7 to 10. Homework. In the same copy you have to complete. You don't need to write it in homework copy. As I have told you, everything you are writing in Maths 1 copy till you do not submit the copy. Okay. So for today you leave it up to you. Next day we will be solving next sum. If there is a doubt, you can ask me. Thank you, dears.